Stop snoring. Grandpa is snoring really loudly. Billy and Black will wake him up. They shake Grandpa's shoulder. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They squeeze Grandpa's nose. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They tickle Grandpa's feet. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They play Grandpa's instrument. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They spin Grandpa's chairs. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They dance to grandma music. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They tie Grandpa's hair. Grandpa keeps on snoring. Billy and Black are tired. They sleep on Grandpa's floor. Grandpa wakes up. Who is snoring so loudly? He asked. Goodbye, Mr.